voluntarily appeared before the committee. It must be emphasized that no member of Congress has ever been subjected to a subpoena by either chamber. Such an act would risk undermining the balance and mutual respect that define bicameral relations. Suppose we follow such ludicrous suggestion made by one of our colleagues. Ang mangyayari po, si dating Speaker Romualdez ang magiging kauna-unahang kaso na sasalungat sa umiiral na interparliamentary courtesy. Ngayon, kung mayroon namang kapwa nating senador na iimbitahan o isusubpina sa pagdinig ng Kamara, halimbawa, may isyuhan ng imbitasyon o subpina ang ating kasama na si Senator Marcoleta ng House Committee on Justice if, hypothetically, mayroong investigasyon sa Kamara ukol sa kanyang di umano'y manumalyang Statement of Contributions and Expenditures or SOSE. Handa po ba ang liderato ng Senado at si Senator Marcoleta na baliwalain ang interparliamentary courtesy na umiiral mulat sa pool sa Kongreso? Maalala natin, noong 2024,